Okay. Man natin. Mm. Pre-picking, pre-taste. Puno na iya.
Show it.
Puno mo na lang ata.
Show it.
Dito kami ngayon sa Bonestra Farm. Ayan o, may Canada flag pa siya. Nagpipiking kami ni Superiman.
Hi guys, we're doing showy picking, yay!
Ayun yung barn daw, sabi ni Iman.
Yeah, and we
Yun.
can also do corn picking too.
Yan, kukuha kami ng box ni Iman. Box Iman. Yeah. Yun, good boy. Let's go. Ayan ang paano. Mabilis tayo. Ha? Yun, sasakay kami doon. Bilisan mo, Kisaya.
I have to pay for it first.
No, after.
You sure?
Sakay kami sa Kubota. Ayan, Kubota, Bonestra Farm. We're going to picking.
Going to a light to a favorite.
Ayan, nakasakay kami sa no? Kubota. Ayan namin, no? Punta kami doon sa farm. Ayun, no? Doon kami. Yun, malaylay ng konti. Bonestra Farm. Nagtapo ko ni Iman. Nakita ko na yung nagpipiking, oh. Yun, ang dami nila. O yan, paliko na si Sir, oh. Kubota. Mayroon din traktora dito. Ay, Superiman. Maraming nagpipiking, oh. Yan. Doon, start the blue flag. Yan. Pipik kami. Keep the flag. Pagka natapos ka, you gonna put in there. Ha? Yan. Mag-strawberry picking kami, oh. Ayan, oh. Pintasin. Yan. The good one. Pick the good one.
I'm
Oh.
picking the good ones.
Yeah. Pick si Superiman. Ha?
This is the good one here.
Hold it.
Oh, show me some.
I'm holding it, Iman.
Let me see.
Look,
Oh, good.
I was so
Pick it up from there. Look, Mom.
Marami pa siyang bunga. Pipik kami ng pick. Strawberry picking. Yan. Isopori man, oh. Like this, oh. Okay? Oh. Yan. Okay? Yung malaki para masarap. Yung hinog.
I pick this one.
Yeah, you try. It taste.
Well, this one is.
Oh, let me see, taste that one. Taste it. You try.
Wait.
You bite on the middle. Good? Yeah? Sarap?
Wait, so you can eat it?
Yeah, some. That's why you called strawberry picking. Yeah?
How about this one?
Yeah, that's a good one. I like that one. Big. Ito, cheche, oh. Wala, good one, oh. Yan, yung mga nisa.
This one is kind of big.
Yeah. Yun, dakila nag-iimasin. Marami pa rito, oh. Yan.
I'm still eating a strawberry.
Oh, yeah, let me see. Alright. Good.
Pero yung ang liit mo lang anak yung hindi naka-ano sa ano sa lupa.
Yeah. Don't pick the one drop in the floor.
Wait, wait,
Ayan, oh.
wait.
Takay lagi mas ni oh. Tikman mo. Masarap. Ha? You try. Yeah.
Let me go down.
Yeah, you try. Sarap?
Ay, ugan daddy baka
Ha? Yan. Yeah, malapit ang mapuno yung box namin, oh. Saglit pa lang kaming pumitas. Ang dami nagpipiking, oh. Bone strapper. Strawberry man. Woo! Strawberry picking today. Ini man, oh. Mabilis mag-pick si man. Strawberry picking. Dalawa yung box namin. Mabilis lang mapuno yan. Apat kami pumipitas eh. Ha? Let me see. Ooh.
We big one.
3 big one. Good boy. May na kaming kasama. May napuno na namin yung isa.
Kaya mo ba yan? Ito na lang ba?
Ang tamis, ang tamis.
Laki oh.
Batali ka. Dami na nila ay kaagad.
Man natin. Free picking, free taste. Puno na iya.
Show it, show it,
Pupuno mo na lang ata.
show it. Step on it, Ellie. Oo, oh, smile with that. Show it. Oh, smile. Uy, Ellie.
Yeah, just grab it. Hey.
We'll fix it.
No, we have to put it somewhere we finish.
Chest plates.
Oh, Daddy.
Ay, napuno ba? Ha? You like your strawberry?
Where are we going next?
Di gusto punta tayo sa farm. Farm petting. Sama? Ha?
Oh, I wanna do that.
Ang bilis namin nag-pick. Wala pang 10 minuto. Marami pang nagpipick. Oh. Yan, tapos na mag-picking. Nabusog ako. Siguro mga 30 piraso yung nakain ko. Sulit. Malaking sinasakyan namin ngayon, no? Okay. Babahid na kami.
Asan bayaran natin?